How to create a calendar from scratch. First, launch the Calendar Creator app. Choose Create from Scratch option and hit the Finish button, then the basic calendar will create. If you want to change the calendar type, then open the Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Yearly Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Month Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Multi-Week Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Week Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Week Planner Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Day Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Event Report from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Month with Tasks Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Week with Tasks Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Week Planner with Tasks Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Day with Tasks Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Task Report from Calendar Type drop-down list. Thanks for watching.